Hello, my name is Dario Tonon from EBLEN Collision Repairs. The business was founded in 1996 and we're a Subaru specialist repairer. We repair more Subarus than anyone else in Australia and buy more Subaru OEM parts than anyone else in Australia. We pride ourselves on our work and our philosophy is to repair cars just like the manufacturer would want. Thanks Paint and Panel for putting on the awards. I'd encourage every panel shop to nominate for the awards and go through the experience and to help improve your own business. Thank you very much.